Using your AVM NVR system is about to get a lot better. Did you know your AVM NVR, when paired with one of our ANPR cameras, can let you know when specific vehicles enter your parking lot or drive? Let's take a look how. First off, I've already... If we jump into configuration, grab our NVR, and head for the task scheduler, this is where we can create a task to let us know when a certain vehicle has entered. So I'm going to put in LPR alert as a name for our task. Now, we want the LPR event to trigger, so we're going to drag that into the events. And inside of here, we can paste our plate number. Once we've got the plate number in place, make sure that we've selected our correct device. And if we want to select a specific camera or just all cameras, then we can select that. Status will be for if it's on one of the known lists, or if we want to just alert based off of a list of blacklisted cameras, which you can enter in the persons area. Owner group, if we wanted just all vehicles from a specific location, we can do that. And then plate color is for future use. When we hit OK, now we've got that LPR event in there. It's got just our plate number, and it's going to then go ahead and run searches for that. Once it finds that event, it's going to trigger off. If we want to limit the use of this task, then we can limit it based off of dates or times. In this case, I just want it to do it all the time and send me a push alert. If you have a phone that has already been scheduled for push alerts, then we can drag in our push alerts, enter in the user account that you want, to send those alerts to. And then for the notification, we've got to give it a title and a text. So we can say LPR event, truck. And if we enter in over here, we can even add in the license number if we want, so that it shows up. And then we can add in a date and time as well down below. But you have to have something inside of the notification text for it to send. Then we can tag a specific camera if we want to it. We're going to go to camera 2. That's one of our LPR cameras. Or if instead, with the push alert, we want to send it to a different camera that has a view of that area, like our camera 5 here would work. If you have iOS, then you can turn on critical alerts as well if you want it to ring through to your phone, even if your phone is silenced. Now, you will have to turn on critical alerts on the phone for that to work. Now that I've set that, I can hit OK, and our event is totally ready to go, and we can send those messages. So the next time that vehicle with that license plate is found on any of those cameras for that recorder, it's going to send a push alert to any of the users that are defined inside of that task. Now you can do that for ex-employees, you can do that for special customers that you want to know about, so that it can alert you and let you know when there's something to watch. You can also use LPR events for different alerts inside of the CMS4 software. We'll take a look at those in other videos.